Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to solve vibration problem in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. If you don't want vibration during calls, during receiving notifications, during receiving upon any alert, just you can control. For that, first go to the settings in your phone and click on sound, and here you have one option vibrate for calls. Just make sure that it is in never vibrate, so you will not experience any vibrate when you receive any incoming call or if you make any outgoing calls. Okay, so if you set always vibrate or vibrate first then ring gradually, then only you will experience vibration problem in your phone Vivo V21e for incoming calls and outgoing calls. Okay, so be sure that this settings is turned on, that is never vibrate. Okay, then in other sounds and vibrations, just you can turn off vibration, touch vibration. This is touch vibration, just turn off it. Okay, and charging sounds and vibration, just turn off it, so you will be free from any vibration in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. So these three settings you have to keep in remember, and you have to keep the settings turned off, so you will not have any vibration in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.